Well, hey everybody, 650 here. Welcome home to the channel. Yet another beautiful day here in the Virginia, Maryland, DC area. And I've got some of my good buddies behind me on some amazing bikes. And we're going to ride these fantastic streets today. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're going to do, but I can assure you of this. We're going to have fun, and thus, this is going to be an epic video. Talk about beautiful bikes. My good buddy here has his MV Agusta. What model is this?
This is the Nürburgring edition.
Nürburgring edition, guys. Take a look at this beautiful bike and all of the detail. Let's take a look at these gold BST wheels. Those are the Rapid Techs. Believe it or not, guys, those wheels and everything else for the most part came on this beautiful bike. MV Agusta is known for making beautiful, thrill-seeking, fun, amazing bikes. I only wish their dealer network was a little better because there really isn't one near filthy Cleveland that I could purchase one of these bikes. You guys ask me all the time, why is my garage absent an MV Agusta? Well, that's why. So enhance your dealer network and I will own one, but that's a beautiful bike. But today's video, guys, is sponsored by our good friends at Breakfree Tech. I'm going to be using the awesome Breakfree helmet brake light today. And you can see it has over 150 beautiful, big, bright, light-emitting diode lights on this thing. Super easy to connect to your helmet. Wireless, guys, because it has a built-in accelerometer that knows when you are slowing down or braking, and it activates these 150 lights. In the kit with this device comes with 2 mounts, so you can mount it on separate helmets. It's available in black or white. On the screen right now is a discount code where you can save some money on your very own Breakfree helmet brake light. Thank you so much, Breakfree Tech, for sponsoring this video. And now we can continue looking at these beautiful bikes. My good buddy Addy also has a Breakfree Tech on his gorgeous Arai helmet too. So guys, these things work and everybody loves them. More visibility is always a plus, guys. So for safety, you just can't beat this awesome helmet brake light. Behind the camera is a person that probably doesn't want to be seen, but it's our good buddy Kenny, yeah, that just won our new bike build series machine. I brought him some more stuff for the bike today. You're not going to ride with us today, but you're going to come out tomorrow, right? Tomorrow. Okay.
Yep, tomorrow.
On his gorgeous.
You guys will see more of me, I'm sure.
That's right.
Eve lives here now. Just put it out there for all the Patreons and everybody on the website.
I am here a lot. Yeah, thank you for filming, Kenny. Yeah, but look at these beautiful bikes, guys. Almost every bike is represented here today. The Triple R Fire Blade SP. I actually arranged delivery of this bike for our good buddy Addy. He purchased it from a dealership in filthy Cleveland, and I delivered it down here for him. We have a ZX-10R right here, one of the newer models. You can tell by the paintwork on this beautiful bike. And we got my good buddy Brandon, has the brand new 2026 BMW M1000RR. Fully done with the current, most updated ECU flash from our good friends at Brin Tuning. Full exhaust system with the Krapovich, the absolute only way to do up your M1000RR. Hell, these bikes don't need much more than that. They already come with gorgeous carbon fiber wheels direct from BMW. Look at that exhaust, titanium. So it's going to change colors, guys, real soon. I might even pull out some WD-40 out of my trailer and help accelerate the color change on this beautiful exhaust system. Take a look at this gorgeous RSV4. Amazing. Those wheels, not stock, they were painted to match this gorgeous colorway, and it looks fantastic. The lady Ikra is sitting on the MV Agusta. I think she likes it, which means she'll probably take delivery of one herself real soon. She's negotiating right now, yeah. Well, you know, it's holiday weekend here in the DMV area, so there is a lot of traffic, and therefore, we've got to do some dancing just to make it through and ensure that we, you know, don't get run over by these cars. It's so much. Wow. And to watch these guys do that, it's like a well-orchestrated ballet, if you would, because these riders have a lot of trust in each other. You know, they've been riding with each other for quite a while. But today, I'm riding my gorgeous RSV4 Factory. Love it. Such a great bike, so smooth. I'm definitely going to ride this bike a lot more. got the M1000. Same size riders. I beat the M1000 RR, the 2026 model. The one that's all new with lots of power. It just got slayed and filleted and turned into a bowl of marmalade by my RSV4 Factory. Got him again. Got him again, nice and clean. And don't complain about me not being in a full tuck. It's okay, it's okay. He's still getting used to his bike. So we'll let him get used to it a little more before the smackdowns continue. So look at where we ended up. Okay, some sort of bare place. All the bikes are here. I'm lucky enough today to have my M1000 RR out along with the Moto Million RSV4 Factory Ultra Darky that our good buddy Sai, the Boogeyman, is riding. Boogeyman, what do you think of this bike? You've rode it for a while now.
Okay, I will say that I'm thoroughly impressed. Now, other than getting used to that Moto GP shift, it rides like a Cadillac.
Yes.
I mean, it didn't take maybe 2-3 miles for me to get used to. After that, she pulls like a freight train and rides like a Cadillac. Like a best of both worlds. I'm impressed.
Well, you're absolutely undefeated on it today. You've beaten H2s, S1000s.
Yeah, and she hauls ass.
Yeah.
Hey, S's. She moves. So I'm impressed, and if I was to get one, I needed to look just like this.
Yes.
Manny.
That's Moto Million. That's Moto Million. That's Manny. That's what he does. He
Yeah.
put the underslung
man.
system on the back.
Yeah.
It didn't come like that.
No.
This
The lightweight,
This
yeah.
caliper used to be up there. Manny made this bracket for it and everything.
Got
that
the
allows
lightweight
it-
rotor on there.
Yeah, that allows it to be underslung now. And you've got the full SC Project exhaust.
And those-
titanium with the carbon collector.
Those brakes work.
Yes.
She stops on a
Awesome
dime.
brakes, yeah.
She stops on a dime.
Well, it's got the new high pure calipers, the newest calipers from Brembo up here.
Oh, that's why.
These are the high pures.
That's why. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh.
gorgeous.
Ooh.
And of course the StarTech carbon fiber wheels.
Yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed.
Glad you like it, buddy. Now we need you to race that M1K guy and smoke him on
Where
this
is he
bike.
at? Because he doesn't want the Honda. He wants this.
Yes.
He's got to get past this first.
Looks like, oh, look at this. They have chairs there. Oh. Wow.
And they got live band there too.
That's fantastic.
What do you think?
Can we bring our bikes over here?
Oh, that's what I'm saying, that we brought our bikes over there last time.
But there weren't any people here.
No, exactly. We came at a time when there weren't not that many, you know what I mean? But yeah.
That's a beautiful view. Look how this is looking in the camera with the sky and everything.
Yeah.
Go down there with
This
the
is
rock.
beautiful. Yeah. Where?
Like, flush it over the little
we
ledge.
put our bikes right there. You see where those people are sitting?
Yeah.
On the edge, right?
Let's go down here where he's talking about. Whenever I'm in this area, we usually end up down here in Annapolis. We like it over here. Yeah, he likes the bikes. They're great. All of these bikes are nice. You got a nice assortment of machines right here. 2 RSV4 factories, a CBR 1000 RR Fireblade SP, the modern newest BMW M1000 RR, and a current Kawasaki ZX-10R. You got lots of beautiful bikes in this beautiful area. I mean, I need to talk about this bike, this beautiful 2022 RSV4 Factory Ultra Dark is what it's called, is what the colorway is called, and I've had this motorcycle for 3 years now. It doesn't seem like it. 3 years, 4,227 miles on the odometer, and I really enjoy riding it quite a bit. Super fun to ride. Every time I ride, I'll ride it a lot, as you can see from the mileage, but every time I jump on this bike, I'm reminded of just how nice it is, how smooth the throttle is, and how the quick shift and auto blip are silky smooth, and probably because I'm GP or reverse shift, that's one of the reasons why I've never missed a gear, ever, on this motorcycle. I like that. And it's just so effortless. Not to mention the beautiful Moto Million StarTech carbon fiber wheels with gold rim tape They look awesome. We got it lowered a little bit, 3/4 of an inch up at the forks. And at the rear shock, we have a different spring on the shock. Set up, calibrated for my weight. And those are all of the reasons why I greatly enjoy riding this bike. And every time I do pull it out my garage for what it seems like an annual ride, I ask myself, why? Why, oh why have I not ridden this bike more? And the answer is, got a garage full of bikes. And whenever I get a new bike, I tend to spend a lot of time on that machine, which is what I've been doing this year with the Panigale V4 Tricolore Italia. Been riding that non-stop, over 3,200 miles on that bike. So just 1,000 less than what's on this bike. And yet I've had this one for 3 years. Yeah. So, I'm not exactly sure why we chose to come down here on the holiday weekend, because there's like a lot of people. We can't lane split. And we're just going to be cruising for a little bit. And not to mention, our hotel is about an hour away. So, that's going to be fun. Oh, we can take a look at Addy's Breakfree helmet brake light. You see he has it on the pulsating mode. So while he's riding, it's pulsating, letting people know that he has it on, and then when he brakes, it goes solid. Super nice. And that will do it for us, guys, as we take a look at that beautiful Breakfree helmet brake light on the helmet of our good buddy Addy on his Fireblade SP. We're going to get the heck out of here.